What is good, you guys? Your boy House in the House back with another video. In today's video, I will be showing you guys what I did to make my car sound like a Hellcat. And like literally, it sounds like a Hellcat. That's how loud it is. It's loud. But yeah, if you guys want to see that, stay tuned. If you want your RT to sound like a Hellcat, I need you to follow the exact instructions that I'm going to be putting on this video on how to make it sound like a Hellcat. So, as you can hear, hold on, let me. You hear that? Can't tell me I don't, like, bruh. So yeah, stay tuned. I'm gonna show you guys how to make your car sound like a Hellcat too. Hey guys, so first off, you want it to sound like a Hellcat, you can't keep the stock filter. You can't keep the stock airbox. So I'm gonna go ahead and pop the hood for you and show you what you're gonna quickly. It's something real simple. So first off, you want to take off the engine cover because I don't know what it is. The engine cover kind of defeats the purpose. Like if you don't take off the engine filter, it really won't help in making it sound like a Hellcat. Second, you want to get you a cold air intake. It don't matter what kind, you can go with whichever one you want, whatever brand. This is the one I went with. I can't even remember the name of it, honestly, but you want to get you a cold air intake because that's going to help it breathe in more cold air. And it's going to also kind of sound like a little bit of whining on the inside, but we're not really talking about that. I want to help y'all make the exhaust sound like Hellcat. So this is a part of helping it to sound like that. Take off that engine cover, add a cold air intake. And quickly, I'm gonna go to the back because you definitely want to do this. Whenever you do your exhaust, you want to make sure that you have 5-inch tips because those make the car even louder. If you don't believe it, like it actually makes it louder. You don't want no little small tips. You want the biggest ones you can get, which is the 5-inch tips. So yeah, and also you want to run full 3-inch piping from the X pipe all the way back. And then from the headers or whatever that is, the cat's front. And you want to cut your cats out. You want to cut the cats off, replace that with piping as well. So it's fully straight pipe from the cat's back, 3-inch from the cat's back. And I'm gonna put some clips on how it sounded before and after, and you can do a comparison yourself. It sounds a lot more deeper and aggressive. It idles a lot louder as well. I'm also gonna put my most recent cold start whenever I had it fully done through, so you guys can hear and you can make it sound like a Hellcat. So all you gotta do is follow what I did. So basically all I did was, of course, I told you in the beginning, I took my engine cover off, added a cold air intake, and I did a full exhaust custom, full 3-inch, no cats. So if you do that, then your RT will also sound like a Hellcat. So that's the secret right there. So if you want your RT to sound like a Hellcat, do that. I guarantee it'll sound like one. But if you like that video, please like, share, comment, subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos. And I'm out.